thunderstorm EAS spreads northward. Widespread rain. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Salem County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elmer, or 13 miles northwest of Vineland, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Glassboro, Pittman, Clayton, Chazillhurst, Elmer, Franklinville, Sicklerville, Williamstown, Olivet, Turnersville, Monroe Township, Winema, Centerton, and Blackwood. This includes Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 35 and 44. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Camden, Gloucester, and Salem.